Sanibona nini njani? Hayibo. Sanibona nini njani? Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
So, okay, first things first, you need to subscribe. Press
Like, live,
share.
talk to each other. Insani izinto man. I hope ngiyabonakala because I'm lazy to just go check the screen again. So, what are we talking about today? It's South Africa Goopers. We're speaking about Asavela. She used to act on Isibaya eWntwenhle. She then got married to Guy Mqokiya Xhosa family, Xhosa name, Xhosa family. And she left the city life and went to wayohlala emakhaya, Eastern Cape. Okay, she will wake up, aluse iy'nkomo, imbuzi, aye emasimini. We were like, oh my goodness, such a beautiful life, very relaxed, beautiful house emakhaya. Hey, wayeka ngisho umsebenzi. After that, she had a child with this guy. Now, fast forward or back forward. Asavela, her surname, royal surname is Mngqiti. Her father is the coach, the coach Sundowns, yeah, Manqoba Mngqiti. There was a story, esanda kushada nje lapha naleya ndoda la osanda kuthola ingane naye. Wathi nakanababa, so they had a fight nomndeni wakhe. Wathi umndeni ubaba wakhe akamkhulisanga, so angazomclaima manje because now seyaziwa and all of that. Okay. Indoda bahlangana egoli kodwa indoda yenza njani yamuza ukuthi fuqu emakhaya. Ayike waphenduka-ke emakhaya. Kanti indoda yona la ihlele ehhotela eGoli isithatha ubani amanye ama-slay queen wafaka endlini amanye shuthi le ndoda yawathanda ama-actors. Isifake enye indoda, usifake the girl called Ubuhle Samuels. Buhle as Matsidiso, she used to act kuMuvhango kodwa the one onezinqa ey'nkulu. Musakhaula before got arrested wasitshela ukuthi hey, umshado uyaphela laphaya. Khona into eyenzakalayo endlini and sibone iy'thombe ubuhle shoot on the same, you know, in the same house. Turns out it was the truth. Umshado kaSavela akuyena othe ngiyaphuma ngoba babu indoda ethe angisakufuni. Like dude, I'm at your home, ngikulusela iy'nkomo ney'mbuzi, ngifida izinja namakati, ngikha amanzi emfuleni. Why can't he just take both of them there? Ngoba phela Buhle Samuel is not going to do that. Ngeke aye emakhaya for sure uzohlala neGoli. Ayike indoda iyamdivorce-ke ugirl akasemncane and she is going through it. I'm going to play a video here when I'm done talking so that you hear her speaking, advise abantu ukuthi don't jola ngenhliziyo ethi ngena ngephotocopy. I'm just so like I feel sorry for her because she does not have a family, and I remember she abandoned ifamily yakhe. She did ngenxa yale ndoda. Akapheli ngisho 5 years Nkosi yami I think beshadile and usanengane encane lo muntu probably ingane yakhe na 1 year or 2 year whatever, and this man already says no, I'm done. Why? Because legit Asavela stays emakhaya. Wamsusa le Goli kodwa mhlawumbe naye phela uthe mase ethola ukuthi indoda yakhe yatshisa wademanda ubuyele eGoli yathi indoda yakhe uyabheda-ke must let him go, you know. But scale, that's where we're at. I'll tell you one thing, guys. I mean, I was in my relationship kanti phela amadoda afunani like but girl, Asavela took this man from the other woman also. So naye iyabona nje lento nje inzima ngoba phela noma ihlali wathatha eshadile uLero wamthatha ku-Mary Jane, naku naye siyakhala iyamshaya indoda seyamthathela. So but then again uzoyisisa phi indoda engenamuntu? If ingenamuntu wayengenamuntu. But I think don't play emshadweni yabantu. If that man is married, the guys thatha isithembu manje. Why this man is so that's where he stands. Asavela no longer married. Indoda iyona iyolwa ngisho enkantolo baye court manje. My question also is because you have money, why can't you just release me, it's fine, divorce me, but just say I'm not gonna fight, I'm giving you 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Probably they're fighting now because Asavela wants certain things and Luka maybe is not willing. Anyway, here's the video of Asavela. In the meantime, please make sure you subscribe and then you press like.